Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this 2-pack of under storage containers. You actually put them under your bed, under your sofa, really anything that has 7 inches or less clearance, because that is all this takes. And these are nice. They've got nice little metal stabilizers in there and a clear zippered container, so you can see what is inside of them. And as you see, they are on little casters that do lock in place, so you can easily lock those in place. Now, things can be stored in here for, really whatever you're wanting to store it. I'm gonna put some blankets in there. You just easily put them in. It went together really nice. It has this nice base piece right here that just kind of stabilizes it all, but you can put your blankets in there, zip it back up, and have everything nice and organized, and be able to put it under your bed and easy to access. The zipper does glide, pretty smooth all the way around. Then when you're finished, get everything in there. All you've got to do is just roll it under here. And as you notice, you do have a little label right here. So you could label this. So if you had these all stacked up back in there, you can have your little label, see what it is, and pull a handle out, grab onto it, be able to access all of your things. This is a great way to stay organized and keep it all tidy.